4 household names reporting earnings on Friday, January 30th, as well as one stock that a lot of the institutions follow. We're going to look at price action, market timing, and momentum because I'm Pima Reddy and that's what I do. So let's start with AXP, American Express. This has been in a long-term uptrend, most recently correcting off of the December high. The way that it looks right now is a mixed ball of different types of candlestick patterns, but I do think that the November 18th low will continue to provide support. And if we get a turn that's definitive while it's above 350, I think it could make a journey to 400 as a next upside target. Now, XOM, right? ExxonMobil has been in a strong acceleration higher. It's just now starting to get into the bull resistance power zone. If you're long shares, this is a great position to be holding. I would put a trailing stop if you are a more medium-term trader below the January 26th low. If you're a more long-term trader, then your trailing stop can be below January 7th. All right, Chevron, ticker CVX, is also up and to the right. Similar asset class, obviously. And it has a little bit less of a steep ascent versus Exxon, but it is definitely still to the upside. It has a little bit more room to go to get to bull support. This is one where if earnings fuel pullback, I think buying while it stays above the January 20th low could provide an opportunity. Next upside target 180. Next up, Verizon, ticker VZ. All right, so this stock has been big picture just churning lower since last March, back towards the low from last January. It had a pause in October along the way. Right now, it's showing that it's kind of living between the bear resistance and bear support power zone. But this latest pop-up higher, especially being at a previous support, it gives me a little bit of hope that hopefully earnings might give it a little bit of fuel. So if it can get above the December 31st high, then I think it could be on its way back towards the $43 to $44 area. Last but not least is ticker REGN, Regeneron. So this is the one that a lot of institutions follow. And right now, this is looking to resume higher off of a low in place from January 20th. There's actually a bullish pattern between price and momentum that allows you to calculate an upside target, and just eyeballing, I think that would land in the 875 area. But as you can see, there's a little bit of a temporary dip here. So while above the January 20th low, I do think there's room for these shares to trade higher. They would have to get through the January 9th range to extend to new highs. That's a look at some stocks reporting earnings on Friday, January 30th. Now, if there are other stocks that you would love me to analyze in a video like this that are still yet to be reported on here in this earnings season, go ahead and type those tickers in the comments down below. I will personally take a look and I may include them in a future video, and I'll catch you in the next one.